There is a natural and powerful Better Sex Body stem cell solution for both men and women. Did you know that our unique Better Sex Body stem cell treatment can improve your sexual experiences by increasing sexual sensitivity and can produce more intense orgasms in both men and women? Stem cell therapy can achieve this by regenerating and repairing damaged tissues in the genital area. This can also help improve blood flow to the area, increase nerve sensitivity, and stimulate the growth of new nerve tissue. As a result, sexual sensations can become more intense and orgasms can be much more pleasurable. Now remember, we not only apply the stem cells locally, but with our comprehensive approach and philosophy of leaving no stones unturned, we also apply a potent stem cell cocktail through intravenous infusion to get the stem cells everywhere the blood flows for a total body rejuvenation. Rejuvenation improvements include hormonal balance, increased energy and vitality, increased libido, better focus, memory, and sleep. In essence, addressing the root cause of sexual dysfunction in the entire bodily system, as opposed to focusing only on the symptoms or the problem. Finding the root cause of any health problem is very important to us at the Stem Cell Healing Institute. In men, stem cell therapy helps improve erectile function by improving blood flow to the penis. This can help increase sexual stamina and improve the quality of erections, which of course contributes to more intense orgasms. In women, stem cell therapy helps increase muscle tone and vaginal lubrication, which helps women feel much more comfortable and relaxed during sexual activity. And this often results in more intense orgasms and perhaps more often. Contact us today to see if you qualify for our powerful, comprehensive, and exclusive Better Sex Body Stem Cell Rejuvenation.